Hello everyone. So this is the fourth part of our discussion on integration by partial fraction decomposition, focusing on the third case. So the third case involves a denominator that is a product that contains irreducible quadratic factors. So here we will be dealing with irreducible quadratic factors. Okay, so meaning you cannot factor this one, none of which is repeated. Okay, and the form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So it depends on how many factors do we have, then yung number of terms in the partial fraction decomposition. Okay, so pag ganun, ang gagawin natin is, instead of just one variable on the numerator, we will have a sub 1x plus b1. Okay, then a sub 2x plus b2 for the second one, and so on. So again, that depends on the number of factors, quadratic factors that we have in the equation. Okay, so in this case, we have an example here, finding the integral of 2x squared minus x plus 4 all over x cubed plus 4x. So first, let us check if this one can be factored. Okay, so titingnan muna natin. So dito sa denominator na to, it is obvious that x is a factor. So therefore, we have 2x squared minus x plus 4 over x times the quantity x squared plus 4 dx. Now observe, x squared plus 4 is not factorable. So this is a reducible quadratic factor. So therefore, we will use this case here. Okay, so therefore, in this case, we have 2x squared minus x plus 4 all over x times x squared plus 4 can be written as a sum of partial fractions. In this case, this expression involves both linear and quadratic factors. So in that case, we will use case 1 for x and case 3 for x squared plus 4. So that is a over x, because this is linear, plus bx plus c over x squared plus 4, because this is quadratic. Okay, so I hope that is clear. And from that, the same process, we will eliminate the denominator. So that is x times x squared plus 4. And this is also x times x squared plus 4. So this will be eliminated. So what's left now is 2x squared minus x plus 4. And this is just a times x squared plus 4. And we also have bx plus c times x. Okay, so from that, in this case, it is not easy to find a value of x that will make this one some variables equal to 0. So therefore, another way here is i-collect natin yung the same terms, meaning we will combine like terms here. So we have 2x squared minus x plus 4 equal to, you distribute a to both x squared and 4. So we have ax squared plus 4a. Then you distribute x to both bx and c. So we have bx squared plus cx. Then after that, we combine like terms in the right hand side of the equation. Copy muna natin yung sa left side. So this is for x squared, we have a plus b, and that is x squared. Kasi the same, common si x squared sa kanila. Then for x, we only have cx. And for the constant term, we have 4a. Okay? So observe that for this to be equal, dapat yung coefficient ni x squared at saka ni x the same, and the numerical the constant term should also be the same para equal yung both sides of the equation. That means that we have correspondence here. First, we have A plus B is equal to 2. Dapat the same sila para equal yung kang x squared. Also, CC is equal to negative 1. And 4A is equal to 4. So we have again 3 correspondence. So first, we have A plus B equals 2. Second is C is equal to negative 1. Automatically, we have the value of C. And 4A is equal to 4. And from that, A is equal to 1. So we now have the value of A and C. Ang problem na natin is CB, but we have A, so we just substitute it here. 1 plus B equals 2. So B is equal to 1. Okay? So complete na. Automatically, we can now solve the integral. Okay? So here, we have the integral of, so A over X, A is 1, so that is 1 over X plus B is 1, so 1x, so bx yan, plus CC is negative 1 plus negative 1 all over x squared plus 4. Okay, and we have dx. Now let's simplify. This is now the integral of 1 over x plus x minus 1 over x squared plus 4 dx. Okay? Ayan. Okay. So from that, we can further solve this one by distributing the integral. So that is the integral of dx over x plus the integral of x minus 1 over x squared plus 4 dx. The second term can further be separated as, so copy muna natin yung first term as integral of x over x squared plus 4 dx. And we have negative, so minus dx over x squared plus 4. Okay? So here, ito, easy lang i-solve. This one, we need to use U substitution. U sub. Well, this one is actually arctan, right? So, solve muna natin yung, so okay na to first one. Sa second muna tayo, first asterisk. So that is the integral of x over x squared plus 4 dx. So we let u be equal to x squared plus 4. So du is equal to 2x dx. And since x dx ang nandiyan sa numerator, we divide this by 2. So du over 2 equals x dx. So that means that we have x dx is du over 2. So du over 2 over x squared plus 4 is just u. And that is actually 1/2 du over u. And du over u is ln. So that is ln absolute value of u plus c. So that is just 1/2 ln of x squared plus 4 plus c. Okay? So we're good with the second one. And the third one is just arctan where a is 2. Right? Arctan with a equal to 2. So from that, easy na lang to. So this is just integral of dx over x is ln absolute value of x. While this one is plus 1/2 ln of absolute value of x squared plus 4. And this is minus, so this is arctan, so 1 over a is 2, so 1/2 arctan of x over 2 plus c. And that ends our solution for this example. Okay, so that is how you do case number 3. Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay, thank you.